Hello and welcome. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your Total Connect 2.0 application with the help of your local alarm system specialists at Advanced Alarms. In this video, we'll guide you through all the essential operations. Let's dive in. Take full control of your Ademco, Vista, or Honeywell home security system with our user-friendly app. Here's a quick guide to get started. After our installer sets up your access, head to your phone's app store and search for Total Connect 2.0. It's compatible with Android and Apple iOS. Your installer will provide you with a login username and send you an email to set up your password. Once you've created a password, enter the information on the sign-in screen. You can select Keep Me Signed In for automatic sign-in. Once signed in, you'll see the home screen. From here, you can easily arm or disarm your system, check local weather, and view recent activity. By clicking on the zone icon here, you can see if your zones are normal, faulted, or bypassed. To bypass a zone, tap on the empty box next to it and select Bypass. Tap Clear at the bottom to stop a zone from being bypassed. Tap the three dots at the top right of the screen to access the Widgets option. Rearrange or add or remove widgets according to your preferences. Save your changes when done. At the top of the screen, you'll find three tabs: Home, Cameras, and Activity. Tap on each to view connected cameras, recent activity, and return to the home screen. Access the system menu by tapping the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From here, you can access options like keypad, sensor zone statuses, camera feeds, and settings. In the Settings menu, you can make important changes to your account, modify your profile, enable user code sync, set up email notifications, and more. By clicking on Alexa, you can connect your app to your Alexa smart home system for voice control of your alarm system. You can select users to add, edit, and delete user codes for your alarm panel, or select notifications. You can customize any notification preferences from the screen. Remember, if you need more detailed assistance or have specific questions, check the Help section within the app for FAQs and further guidance. With the Resideo Total Connect 2.0 app, you'll have complete control over your Ademco, Vista, or Honeywell home or business security system. Enjoy peace of mind with just a few taps. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also click on the little bell icon to receive updates for when we release new instructional how-to videos on your favorite home alarm monitoring system. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you all next time.